Did you know that over 2 million cars were sold through online auctions last year, with some buyers saving up to 30% compared to the dealership prices? Yes, online car auctions are no longer a secret. Whether you are hunting for a budget-friendly ride or a rare collector's car, or just a great deal, online car auctions have something for everyone. In today's video, I will walk you through the best car auction sites in USA, showing you how to find the cars of your dreams, save money and avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive in. The first one is Copart, a platform with over 250,000 vehicles up for auction every day. Whether you are looking for a repairable salvage car, a clean title used car, or even a high-end luxury model, Copart has it all. Copart is favorite amongst the budget-conscious buyers and DIY enthusiasts. Imagine buying a reliable commuter car for less than $5,000 or getting a fixer-up that saves you thousands compared to the retail price. Copart offers an easy-to-use interface with detailed listing that shows the car's condition, history, and title status. Plus, they have a wide range of vehicles from everyday sedan to exotic cars. Speaking of safety and transparency, Copart requires a membership to bid, which helps weed out the fake buyers. Plus, their listing includes detailed photos and VIN reports, so you know what you are getting into. Pro tip: always factor in Copart's buyer's fees and potential transportation costs when bidding. Also check if the car's title is clean or salvage to avoid surprises down the road. Next we have IAAI, another powerhouse in the salvage and insurance car auction world. If you are a car enthusiast who loves restoring vehicles, this platform is a gold mine. The site specializes in insurance claimed cars, which means many vehicles have minor damages but are repairable. Their website is packed with tools to help you research and bid confidently. The site provides high quality images, damage disclosures, and vehicle reports. They even offer third-party inspection services for extra peace of mind. Pro tip: pay attention to the site's auction types. For the first-time buyers, the buy now option might be less intimidating than bidding wars. Now let's shift the gears. Imagine owning a rare classic car that turns heads everywhere you go. That's where bringatrailer.com comes in. Bring a Trailer is a treasure trove for car enthusiasts who love vintage, rare and collector grade vehicles. It's where you will find everything from restored muscle cars to the European sports cars. What sets the platform apart is its community driven auctions. Each listing includes a detailed description, extensive photos, and even user comments where enthusiasts discuss the car's history and value. Bring a Trailer is known for its rigorous vetting process, ensuring every car listed is legitimate and accurately described. Pro tip: follow the comment sections closely. It's full of insights from car experts and collectors that can guide you bidding strategy. If you are into modern enthusiast cars, think sports sedans, off-road trucks, or even EVs, then Car Bids is your playground. This platform, founded by automotive YouTuber Dodge Me Moro, is tailor-made for car lovers who want something cool, unique, and relatively new. This car focuses on post-1980s vehicles, and their listings are packed with details including features, ownership history, and high-quality photos. Buyers love straightforward process. Car and Bids uses fixed buyer's fees, so there is no surprise cost after the auction. Pro tip: take advantage of their transparency. Read the listing description and watch the included videos to get a feel for the car's condition. Next up we have eBay Motors, a household name and one of the most versatile platforms out there. eBay Motors offers everything from daily drivers to rare collectibles. With features like buy it now and nationwide shipping, it's a great starting point for the first-time buyers. eBay Motor combines auction facility with a wide inventory including dealers and private selling options. eBay Motors vehicle purchase protection covers up to $100,000 if the car doesn't match match the listing, adding an extra layer of security. Narrow your search using filters like mileage, location, and the title status to save time and avoid unnecessary risks. Whether you are a first-time buyer, a seasoned car enthusiast, or just someone looking for the best deal, these platforms make it easier than ever to find your dream car. If you're ready to take the wheels, click the links that are given in the description to explore these platforms. Start bidding and save big on your next car.